Are you here?
If you know, you know. What's up, guys? Welcome back once again to another video. We're starting off the day with Carlos and I. We cuddled on this couch last night. No cap. In today's video, we're going to be heading over to Speed Vegas. I think that's what it's called, right? Speed Vegas? Yeah, and so it is the third day, technically, that we've been here in Las Vegas for Supras in Vegas. So today is show and shine, and I believe it's also dyno day. So we will be seeing some cars on the dyno. I'm just gonna be carrying the camera all day, and I hope you guys enjoy today's content. For those of you guys who've never been to Supras in Vegas, I highly encourage you guys to come, especially if you have a Supra. If you don't and you can't like bring it because it's a project car or whatever, doesn't matter, just show up. Anyway, let's get started with today's video. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining. Oh yeah, my dad's in the car now.
Yes. Are you going to finish that croissant?
And we got Carla right there. But yeah, it's raining, so don't know how the show's gonna go, but we're gonna try to make the best of it.
It's like a cotton candy blue.
Finally, we're here.
Oh, there's shit.
Looks like everybody's staging right now. Yeah. We got a white Supra right in front of us. Very nice, very nice. Check out Caden's Mark III, built by Sideways Performance himself. This is sweet. What manifold is this?
The King's Royal.
King's Royal.
So you can get them. Well, you can buy them from Superstore back here.
Okay.
Which is who we used to buy them from.
Right.
But you can actually buy them now. Well, Deep's Motor is no longer there anymore, but you used to be able to get them on eBay and stuff, dude.
Okay.
For like $6.50 shipped to your door.
Oh wow.
And they work really, really well. We use them on pretty much all of our builds, but a bunch of different people put, you know, like their name on it. You know,
Right,
it's all
right.
the same thing though.
I'm sorry, Carlos, what? Did you say that some of the Supras here convinced you to finally swap your car?
Finally to a 1J manual swap.
Woo!
We'll see next year.
Yeah?
Next year.
Alright, so as you guys can see, we're here at the show. So let's get this party started. Let's show you guys some of the cars. This one is probably one of the cleanest Supras here, and it's one of the most beautiful colors so far. You guys can let me know down in the comments what you guys think about it. Hey, is it green or yellow?
I don't know. Depending on the angle.
Yeah, I guess, huh? Depending on the angle.
But then the green stripping me out. It's like the dress all over again.
Woo! 2JZ. Wait, hold on. Wow.
This is nice.
Yeah. SD manifold. HKS turbo. That is sweet. Look at that titanium
Straight,
intercooler pipe.
Straight without the filter.
Yeah, no filter.
I have a different pellet.
You gotta go stand by your car.
I've never seen this bumper on a car before, on a Mark V. Very nice. Very nice. Greg, if you're watching this, I'm proud of you, bro. This thing is so freaking clean in person. I got to see it on FaceTime way before a lot of other people did. Shout out to you, Greg. But oh man, in person, this thing is beautiful. Dude, I don't even know if I got that on video. Yeah, dude, I couldn't do anything. What'd you think?
Huh?
What did you think?
I feel like I'm coming down the hill right now with my ears plugged.
That was my dad's first time ever experiencing two-step. I'm hoping that the GoPro's mic is still intact. Might have blown up. You guys might not be able to hear me right now. Oh well, if you guys can, then I'll voice it over. But if you can, this clip will be it.
I didn't mean to grab him. So like the red one was pushing, right? And like I started getting pushed back and I like was holding on to him so I wouldn't go too far. I was freaking out.
trace of being in Las Vegas for Supras in Vegas. We'll catch you on the next video. Peace out.